Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today we're looking at the 2016 Kuwait 5 fils coin. A small but interesting piece many collectors overlook. The 5 fils is part of Kuwait's modern currency system. The 2016 issue is made of copper nickel and features a stylized dhow, the traditional sailing boat that represents Kuwait's maritime history. On the obverse side, you'll see the State of Kuwait emblem along with the year shown in both Gregorian 2016 and Hijri 1437. The design is simple, clean, and very elegant. Is the 2016 5 fils rare? Not extremely, but finding it in uncirculated condition can be difficult. Collectors look for sharp details, clean surfaces, and no signs of wear. In circulated condition, its value is usually between 10 and 30 cents. In uncirculated condition, it can reach $1 to $3. And sometimes more depending on the demand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thank you for watching.